Hello friends, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips, and today we are going to see how to group your slides into multiple sections. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So first of all, let me open a presentation where I have multiple slides. And for the sake of this video, I have prepared a presentation in which I have 8 number of slides. But in your case, you may have a presentation in which you have multiple number of slides, let's say 20 or 30, and you are getting confused that which slide belongs to which group, and you don't know how to segregate. So you may want to segregate your slides into multiple groups or sections to make it more clear, tidy, and organized. So let's begin. We are currently in the normal view, and let's just see what is there in the slide sorter. One thing you have noted here is that there are no groups assigned here. All the slides are there in one group only. So let's get back to the normal and let's start. Let's say I want to group these slides into 3 sections. The solar system, introduction, and the composition of solar system should be in the first group. Slide number 4 and slide number 5 will be there in the second section, and the third section will be slide number 6, 7, and 8. So to group slide number 1, 2, and 3 in one section, let me go to first slide and right click. Here you can observe there is an option called add section. I'll click on add section and it's giving me an pop-up box to rename that section. I'll rename that section as introduction and press name. And here you will notice that all 8 number of slides are there in one section only. Don't worry. Now let's make another section where we'll put slide number 4 and slide number 5 in another section. So if I want to make a section from slide number 4, then I will go to slide number 4, right click on that and click on add section. There again I'll rename this section as planets. So click on rename, and now you'll notice that introduction has 3 number of slides and planets has the remaining number of slides. And now in similar way, let's make another section starting from slide number 6. So if I want to make a section from slide number 6, I'll go to slide number 6, right click there, add section and rename. Comments and rename that. And here you go. So now you have 3 sections: introduction, planets, and comments. And hence we have grouped, or I would rather say we have organized our slides into different sections. And now let us look at slide sorter view, what happened there. And here you go. Your slides are now segregated into different sections and they are now looking clean and tidy. And in this way, you can make different sections into your presentation and get one step ahead in your PowerPoint skills. And now it's time for a quiz. And the quiz is, in order to start the slideshow from the beginning, what you can press: F5, F6, F7 or F8. You can comment down your answers in the below given comment box. Till then, goodbye.